Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Dual Messenger. Following that, if you wish to clone one of your available apps, click on the gray sweater next to the chosen one. Then click on Install in the pop-up. In order to use a separate contact list, click on the gray sweater next to it. And if you don't want to do it, click on the same no blue one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I go back and check my WhatsApp app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on the no blue sweater next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!